blockchain digital identity mechanism accompanied with X.509 digital certificate standard and document exchange protocol enable users to send, receive and authenticate any kind of PDF document signed with their digital certificate. Let's put the use case in context with fiction characters Jane and Johan. Jane needs to send Johan a signed real estate contract. She can achieve this securely with the help of 4thtech and her digital certificate. There are two ways on how to approach this. Jane can use the Acrobat Reader and sign the PDF contract with her digital certificate and send it to Johan using 4thtech. Additionally, Jane can verify her blockchain wallet address using the 4thtech identity mechanism. In both cases, the system enables digital verification of the signatory and the sender. Johan prefers the 4thtech blockchain solution over email attachment because it enables him to authenticate the received PDF document on his end using 4thtech Notarisation service, while the digital identity mechanism provides Johan the sender identity verification. Let's take a look how we can sign the PDF document using digital certificate and Acrobat Reader. Use Acrobat Reader to open the document in question. Select the certificate tool. Select the digital signature location. Sign and save the PDF with installed digital certificate. The PDF signed document is now ready for electronic delivery. Before starting the blockchain digital identification process, please check the 4thtech wallet installation tutorial and install the compatible identity certificate on your computer. Please check the project technical documentation for digital certificate compatibility. Now, let's take a look how we can verify Jane's identity using 4thtech digital identity mechanism. After the successful login, the 4thtech application opens. The application menu appears on the left with a simple menu structure. Click on the User Verification tab reveals the pre-installed digital certificate. Review and confirm the certificate. The User Verification submenu opens. Please fill the KYC with your first, last name and tax number associated with the digital certificate. Your digital certificate information is displayed below. Review the certificate information and click Verify. The confirmation pop-up window will appear. 4thtech digital identity mechanism prepares and sends WSDL request in a SOAP envelope via HTTP POST protocol to the certificate issuer automated service, which replies with the verification. If the user's tax number corresponds with the digital certificate serial number, the user is successfully verified and the link between digital identity and blockchain wallet is created. 4thtech digital identity mechanism is currently compatible with all C-Trust-enabled digital certificates, Siguenza, Poštarca, ACNLB and Halcom. As X.509 digital certificate standard is widely supported across Europe, the solution can be easily adopted to all countries using the same certificate standard. Small differences in the installation and verification process may vary. This concludes the document signing and blockchain digital identity tutorial. To watch the second part of the Jane's and Johan's story, please follow the link in the description.